Hey guys, it's Renee. So for this two phone cases, I'm gonna be using this cartoon images of Wednesday Addams. I kind of made them myself based on like images that I saw online, and then I did my thing on Photoshop and I printed them. I'm gonna link them below if you wanna go for this or just you like them. Now I printed them, but the edges weren't as crisp as I wanted them to be, so I went over with my Sharpie, like the fine tip one, and just overlined the whole thing. And I printed them on like a thicker paper. It's not quite cardboard, but it's like thicker than paper, like regular paper. But I'm gonna be cutting them with two scissors, using the like regular scissors for the whole thing, and then I'll be using this like detail scissors for like the details and stuff. You don't have to use two scissors. I just wanted to go for like the details of like the nails and stuff. Now I wanted to make this a design for like two kinds of phone cases. For this kinds of phone cases, like the bigger camera gap ones, first I'm going to be painting it with my white acrylic paint, my brush. Feel free to work with like spray paint. Then I'm going to be adding some gloss, and the one that I'm using is by Sculpey. Again, feel free to work with like spray gloss. Actually, I would recommend doing that, using spray gloss, because the finish is even. You don't get like the brush strokes, but I didn't have any, and this is what I have. But first I'm going to be working with this one, not the full body but this one. We're simply going to be gluing the image of Wednesday on top of this, adding my glue on the back, using my brush to just spread the glue all over the place, and then I'm going to be gluing the image on top. So this is the idea number one, which kind of is my favorite one, not gonna lie. I liked it the most and I like it better. I think it looks nice. It's still cartoonish, but it's cleaner, and I don't know, you still get the seriousness of Wednesday. And I think it works for this kinds of like phone cases that have like bigger camera gap, because it doesn't give you as much space to just place the whole Wednesday or the whole body of Wednesday in there. It's less messy. But with that being said, I also wanted to go for like the messy version of this. For this, I'll be using another phone case style. For this other, I'm going to be using this kind of phone cases that have like the smaller camera gap. You know, you can use this design for any brand or any phone case you want. But I'm going to be tracing the shape of my phone case on top of like cardboard. It's the same cardboard that I used to print these images. It's just like the leftover like edges and stuff. Placing my phone case upside down, use my mechanical pencil to just trace the shape of this and then just cut it. And this is how I'm cutting the like camera gap. And this one is actually pretty easy as well, but it's a more time consuming. I'm going to be using my purple in like this round brush, and I'm going to be brushing some paint in the middle like that, but I'll just make this as tall as like the image of my Wednesday that is going to go here, like the full body Wednesday. And so it looks like the purple is like around her, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to go with my blue, and I'm going to be adding this to the edges to make them darker, and then just blending the like edges between the purple and the blue like that. I went back and forth with the colors and stuff, and then I'm gonna be adding some glue on the back of my like full body Wednesday, and I'm gonna be gluing this. I'll be placing this inside my clear phone case. But yeah, this is what this one looks like. This one is a bit more childish in my opinion than just messy, but I think it looks fun and I still like it. That's why I'm sharing this. But yeah, these are the phone cases ideas that I wanted to share with you. Let me know which one you like the most. This is for the show Wednesday. I've always loved Wednesday, and I really like the Addams Family. So I just want to share something for it, and hopefully this was, I don't know, fun to watch, and hopefully you liked this one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked this, and feel free to share this. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later, and take care. Bye guys!